I'm John Fisher, it's my wife Pam. I come to you as a resident of this valley for 52 years and 9 months. And I would like to represent as a parent, a grandfather and a great-grandfather, and the fact that I have been teaching here in the valley for 52 years, and I am still teaching, and I'd like to present some information to you at this time. First thing I'd like to bring to your attention, if you don't already know so, is the United States Department of Justice obscenity law. Obscenity is not protected under First Amendment rights to free speech, and violations of federal obscenity laws are criminal offenses. The U.S. courts use a three-pronged test, commonly referred to as the Miller test, to determine if given material is obscene. Obscenity is defined as anything that fits the criteria of the Miller test, which may include, for example, visual depictions, spoken words, or written tests. Federal law strictly prohibits the distribution of obscene matter to minors. Any transfer or attempt to transfer such material to a minor under the age of 16 is punishable under federal law. In addition, visual representations such as drawings, cartoons, or paintings that appear to depict minors engaged in sexual activity are obscene are also illegal under federal law. It is important to note that the standard for what is harmful to minors may be different than the standard for adults, and offenders convicted of obscenity crimes involving minors face harsher penalties than if crimes involved only adults. When researching the 3 R's curriculum, it doesn't take long before finding material that's inappropriate for children. For example, how about these cartoon diagrams from a kindergarten lesson where the teacher explains to the kids where and what a clitoris is? How about the detailed depiction of a woman spread eagle in a 5th grade lesson? How about these slides in a 12th grade lesson showing the covers of GQ, Penthouse, and Playboy, where articles on the covers include why you should suit up for oral, sex-enhancing piercings, and top 25 orgasm-inducing songs? Or how about STD Jeopardy game found in the 12th grade curriculum, asking questions such as, I don't feel so good, for 10 points. That's one category. True or false? One way to tell if someone has an STD is to stick earwax inside their vagina. If doing this stings, they have STD. How about this one? Which one is riskier? 40 points for having
Mr. Fisher, your
unprotected.
time is up. Please wrap up your comments.
It only takes one parent and one attorney to file a case. So here's the question I have for you. Which one is riskiest? Adopt an inappropriate, non-evidence-based curriculum that sexualizes children, or honor parental rights and beliefs by allowing parents to do their teaching? Thank you for your time.